To show everyone a device that I made yesterday, which clearly Mo wants to help out with. It's this thing here, which I've got from these reeds, grass reeds I guess they are, but they're a lot harder and yeah, they're just a lot harder and sharper than kind of normal grass. And I made a brush. So I've got a bit of string. So Dad, that's your string that you gave me put to the first bit of good use. And then hopefully, I did try it out yesterday, but there's a lot of stuff that's ended up on the outside mat. Obviously on the beach, you get loads of sand everywhere. So rather than using your hand, hey, look at that. And then I just kind of, you can brush it all into the corner, you know. Oh, it does work. I don't know whether you can see that. It's actually worked better than I thought it was. I did use it on the mat last night. But there you go, see? All that sand in the corner. Overnight, I stored it up here, just underneath there, nice little spot for it. Now making this thing, let's see what happens out here. Yeah, it will work, obviously as I've showed you, but Mo's in the way. So anyway, that's that thing. Now the way I made it was, I used my multi-tool and